Hi, my name is Khaled Ahmed. I am from Intel Corporation. Today I will talk about micro-LED display technology and associated manufacturing challenges. The outline of this talk: display trends. First is what's happening in displays. And then second, I will talk about why micro-LED displays from our perspective. I will address some of the key manufacturing challenges for micro-LED displays. And then I will summarize by listing the required technological breakthroughs that will have to happen to manufacture cost-effective micro-LED displays. Over the past 90 years or so, the devices like TVs had displays that were small in the beginning, and they start to get bigger and bigger as a function of time. That the display to body ratio of the device has approached 100%. And this is shown over the past 90 years. This picture speaks for itself. So the display is becoming bigger and bigger, and people want to see more than just form factor improvement, which is the display to body ratio. And same thing happened for smartphones since the beginning of smartphone time, when Motorola introduced the smartphone, and then Nokia introduced the smaller form factor with some display in it. And we started to see the display to body ratio increase as a function of time, and it's also approaching 100% with flexible displays. So this is definitely a major trend in terms of the importance and the presence of displays in our life. For laptops, when I looked at the first laptop or first recognition of a laptop in 1981, the Osborne one, and now you can see a huge difference between the display to body ratio between over 40 years. You see much bigger display to body ratio, much lighter form factor in terms of weight, and also the colors. The first laptop had black and white colors, but then now we have very interesting colors, especially with the introduction of new display technologies such as OLED and quantum dots. So there is a huge progress made in the form factor, and now people are talking about how much power is the display consuming as a function of the platform. So the more display area, more power consumption it takes to display information, and how much that power is affecting the battery lifetime of a device such as a smartphone or a laptop. And micro LEDs are not coming here to just to become a different technology from existing technology. It's here to add value, and people have recognized some benefits in many devices such as TV, laptops, tablets, smartphones, smartwatch, VR, and AR, MR. And the reason for that is that when people looked at various technologies, especially when it comes to battery lifetime and burn-in issues and high luminance, it appears that micro LED appears to be the ultimate display